Hello guys, welcome to the chapter, Setting Up Your Facebook Page. In this lesson, we're going to talk about creating a Facebook business page. Let's get started. If you're doing business online, it is best to have an online presence, especially on Facebook. Facebook has over 2 billion users, and most of the time, they are browsing their Facebook news feed. These people might be one of your target audiences, and it could benefit your business if they can discover your Facebook page. These users can also be your potential customers. To sell your products through Facebook, you must create a Facebook page where you can showcase your products. If you have a local or online business, it is essential to have a business page. When you have no website yet, you can create your business page on Facebook, and there are tons of active users on Facebook where your brand or business can attract new customers from the platform. To create a new Facebook business page, you must log into your personal profile. From there, you can select the Create a Facebook Page menu. Click on the plus icon on the top right corner of your Facebook web app. You will see a drop-down menu showing you options to create a post on your news feed, share a photo or a story, video chat with anyone, create a page, an ad, event, marketplace listing, and fundraiser. Click on the page option to create a page for your fans. You'll be redirected to this page where you can type in the page information for your Facebook business page. Type in your business name in this text box. It's good to use your business name so that people can easily identify your local business the same as your Facebook page name. Next, choose a category that best describes the type of your business. You can add up to 3 categories here. In this window, you can see the preview of your Facebook business page. Here are your business name and the business category. You may notice that the first category that you place here is the category that will be visible under your page name's preview. Next, add a description on your Facebook page. Write about what services your business offers or the purpose of creating this page. All the page information that we have placed in this section is shown in the preview section. You can also check the mobile preview since most Facebook users access their Facebook accounts using their mobile devices. You can add profile photos, cover photos, and other business details after you create the page. Now click the Create Page button. Now we have successfully created a Facebook page. As you can see, Facebook shows and reminds you of the steps that you must fill out so that your Facebook page details are complete. Facebook will show your page to more audiences once your Facebook page information is complete. Creating a Facebook business page will allow your business to reach more potential audiences or customers and drive traffic to your website. Also, you can sell your products, share posts that can entice your viewers to purchase your products, host giveaways, and even promote upcoming events. Now that you know about creating a Facebook business page, we can now proceed to the next topic, optimizing a Facebook selling profile. I'll see you there.
Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe and go to technicforce.com for more tools and training.